Hey everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of meme coins, specifically the top dog itself, Shiba Inu. Now, if you've been anywhere near the crypto charts recently, you'll have noticed SHIB's been on a tear, leaving a trail of green candles in its wake. But what's fueling this rocket ship? Is it just another pump and dump, or is there something more substantial behind Shiba Inu's meteoric rise? That's what we're here to unpack today. We're going to break down the two major forces driving SHIB's price action whale activity and the burn rate. Can this meme coin, once dismissed as a joke, actually transform into a serious contender in the crypto space? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the exciting and often unpredictable world of Shiba Inu. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. So let's address the elephant, or rather the in the room. We've been hearing whispers of increased whale activity around Shiba Inu. Now, for the uninitiated, whales are those crypto behemoths with wallets deep enough to make the Titanic blush. When these big fish make a move, the entire market ripples, and boy, have they been making moves with SHIB. Data from analytics platforms like Into the Block shows a surge in large transactions, those exceeding $100,000 worth of SHIB, reaching levels not seen all quarter. Now, let's talk about the other major player in this Shiba Inu saga, the burn rate. For those new to the crypto game, burning essentially means sending a portion of tokens to a dead wallet, effectively removing them from circulation forever. And Shiba Inu has been on a burning spree. Millions of SHIB tokens have been sent to the digital graveyard in recent days, sending the burn rate skyrocketing. A reduced supply coupled with increasing demand could send the price of SHIB soaring, but is it sustainable? Can the burn rate keep up with the immense supply of SHIB tokens in circulation? All right, folks, let's dive deeper into this whale activity. We've got Mark, our resident blockchain whiz, joining us today. Mark, you've been tracking these whale movements closely. What's your take on their sudden interest in Shiba Inu? Is it just a quick cash grab or something more strategic?
Well, it's never easy to fully understand the motivations of these crypto titans. They often operate with a level of anonymity that makes it difficult to track their every move. But what we can do is look at the data and try to connect the dots.
Exactly, and the data does show a significant spike in large transactions. It's not just a few $100,000 here and there. We're talking millions, even tens of millions of dollars being poured into Shiba Inu. That's not something to ignore.
Well, they certainly have the potential to influence price movements, especially with a token like Shiba Inu, which still has a relatively low market cap compared to, say, Bitcoin or Ethereum. When a whale makes a large purchase, it can create a surge in demand, driving the price up.
It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. The whales buy in, the price goes up, and then more people jump on board hoping to ride the wave, which pushes the price up even further.
Exactly, it's a classic case of FOMO, fear of missing out.
Right. And when whales decide to cash out, it can trigger a massive sell-off, leaving a lot of smaller investors holding the bag. This is where things get really interesting. Mark, from your analysis of blockchain data and whale behavior, is there a way to predict their next move? Are they planning to hold Shiba Inu long-term, or is this just a pump-and-dump scheme?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Predicting whale behavior is a bit like trying to predict the weather. There are a lot of variables at play, and it's never an exact science. But what we can do is look for patterns.
Interesting. So, what patterns are you seeing with these Shiba Inu whales?
Well, one interesting trend is that many of these large transactions are being moved into cold storage wallets. These are offline wallets designed for long-term storage, which suggests that at least some of these whales are in it for the long haul.
All right, let's shift gears and talk about the other big factor at play here, Shiba Inu's burn rate. Sarah, for our listeners who might not be familiar with this concept, explain how burning tokens actually works and why it's causing so much excitement in the Shiba Inu community?
Sure, burning tokens is essentially a way to decrease the circulating supply of a cryptocurrency. It's like taking physical coins out of circulation and throwing them into a furnace. They're gone for good. In the crypto world, this is done by sending tokens to a specific wallet address that can't be accessed.
So it's like a digital black hole for crypto.
Exactly. And the idea is that by reducing the supply of a token, you increase its scarcity and therefore its value.
Section 2, Supply and Demand, the Crypto Tango.
It's like a delicate dance, isn't it? You've got the burn rate pushing the supply down, and then you've got all this hype and whale activity potentially driving demand up.
Precisely. And the key is to find that sweet spot where those two forces meet, high demand and decreasing supply. That's the recipe for a potential price explosion.
But it's not a guaranteed win, right? I mean, burning tokens alone doesn't guarantee a price increase.
Absolutely not. Demand is the other half of the equation. You can burn all the tokens you want, but if no one wants to buy the remaining ones, the price isn't going to budge.
Section 3, the long game, burning for the future.
Mark, you mentioned earlier that some of these whales might be in it for the long haul. Do you think the burn rate factors into that long-term strategy?
It's definitely possible. See, one of the criticisms leveled at meme coins, and Shiba Inu in particular, is their massive supply. We're talking trillions, quadrillions of tokens. That's a lot of zeros, and that huge supply can act as an anchor on the price.
So, by burning tokens, they're essentially trying to remove that anchor to create a scenario where Shiba Inu can achieve a much higher price per token.
Exactly. It's about changing the perception of Shiba Inu from a meme coin with an almost infinite supply to a more scarce and therefore more valuable asset.
Section 1, connecting the dots, burn rate and whale activity.
So, we've got these two powerful forces at play. The burn rate steadily reducing the supply of SHIB, and whale activity injecting large sums of capital and potentially driving up demand. But are these two forces working in tandem, or are they independent actors on the Shiba Inu stage?
That's the million-dollar question. It's like trying to solve a crypto puzzle. On the surface, they seem like separate events. But when you dig a little deeper, you start to see potential connections.
Intriguing. Give us an example. How could these two seemingly unrelated events be connected?
Well, imagine you're a whale sitting on a mountain of Shiba Inu. You know the burn rate is active, slowly but surely reducing the token supply.
The price pump predicament, hype or hope?
But what about the more immediate price action? We can't ignore the fact that Shiba Inu has seen some significant pumps recently, often coinciding with these large whale transactions. Is this just a case of market manipulation, or is there genuine organic growth at play?
That's the age-old debate in the crypto world, isn't it? Separating the signal from the noise. There's no doubt that whales have the power to move markets, especially in the more volatile altcoin space like Shiba Inu.
So are you saying these price pumps are entirely artificial, just whales playing games with the little guy?
Not necessarily. While some pumps might be driven by coordinated whale activity, others could be a natural byproduct of increased attention and FOMO.
This brings us to the heart of the matter. Can Shiba Inu shed its meme coin image and gain wider acceptance as a legitimate cryptocurrency?
That's the challenge facing Shiba Inu, and meme coins in general. They often lack real-world utility and are seen as purely speculative assets, driven by hype and social media frenzy.
So what can Shiba Inu do to break free from this meme coin stigma?
It needs to demonstrate real value, beyond just being a cute dog meme. This could come in the form of developing a robust ecosystem with real-world applications, like decentralized finance platforms, NFTs, or even gaming integration.
So it's not just about the price pumps and the burn rate, it's about building something sustainable, something with long-term value.
Exactly.
So we've talked about the whales, the burn rate, the price pumps, and the challenges facing Shiba Inu as it tries to break free from its meme coin label. But what does the future hold for this canine-themed cryptocurrency?
Well, the road ahead for Shiba Inu, or any meme coin for that matter, is paved with both opportunity and uncertainty. The crypto landscape is constantly evolving, and what works today might be obsolete tomorrow.
It's a volatile space, that's for sure. But amidst all this uncertainty, are there any indicators, any signs that might point to Shiba Inu's long-term success?
One positive sign is the growing community around Shiba Inu. The Shibarmy, as they call themselves, is a passionate and vocal bunch. And in the world of crypto, community support can be a powerful driver of growth.
It's true.
But it's not all sunshine and rainbows in the world of meme coins, is it? There are some potential storm clouds on the horizon, particularly when it comes to regulation. Mark, how big of a threat does regulation pose to the future of Shiba Inu and other meme coins? Regulation is the elephant in the room, the one topic that sends shivers down the spines of many crypto enthusiasts. And for good reason. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate this new and rapidly evolving asset class. And meme coins, with their often unclear use cases and speculative nature, could be particularly vulnerable to regulatory scrutiny, right? Absolutely. Regulators are concerned about things like market manipulation, investor protection, and money laundering. So it's a waiting game. We just have to see how these regulations unfold and what impact they'll have on the crypto landscape. Essentially, yes. So, let's end with a bit of crystal ball gazing, shall we? It's 2025. Where do you see Shiba Inu in this future crypto landscape? Boom or bust?
I'm cautiously optimistic. I think Shiba Inu has the potential to be more than just a meme coin. If the developers can deliver on their promises, build real-world utility, and navigate the regulatory landscape successfully, Shiba Inu could be a major player in 2025.
So, you're envisioning a future where Shiba Inu is listed on major exchanges, integrated into payment systems, maybe even used in the metaverse?
Absolutely. It might sound far-fetched now, but remember, this is the crypto world. Anything is possible.
Mark, what's your take? Are you on board the Shiba Inu rocket ship, or are you staying grounded for now? I'm a data guy, so I tend to shy away from predictions. But I will say this. Shiba Inu has shown remarkable resilience. It's survived bear markets, regulatory scrutiny, and even internal conflicts. And it's still here, still barking at the heels of the bigger dogs. So you're saying, never underestimate the underdog, especially in the unpredictable world of crypto? Precisely. Shiba Inu is a survivor, and in this game that counts for a lot. Well, folks, there you have it. We've journeyed deep into the heart of the Shiba Inu phenomenon, exploring the forces driving its price action, the challenges it faces, and its potential for long-term success.
It's been quite a ride. From whale watching to burn rate analysis, we've covered a lot of ground. And I think it's safe to say that Shiba Inu is far more complex than its meme coin origins might suggest.
Absolutely. It's easy to dismiss Shiba Inu as just another dog-themed token riding the coattails of Dogecoin. But there's a lot more to this story. The active development, the passionate community, the ambitious roadmap, these factors suggest that Shiba Inu is playing a different game. It's about challenging the status quo, pushing the boundaries of what a meme coin can be. Whether Shiba Inu succeeds in its mission to become a major player in the crypto space is yet to be seen. But one thing's for sure, it's a story that's far from over. So, where do we go from here? What's next for Shiba Inu, and what should investors and enthusiasts be watching out for? The crypto market is notoriously volatile and unpredictable. Shiba Inu, like any other cryptocurrency, is subject to those same market forces. But there are a few key indicators that could signal Shiba Inu's future trajectory. Give us the inside scoop, Mark. What should we be keeping an eye on? First, watch the burn rate. Can they maintain this aggressive pace of token burning? Second, pay attention to the development roadmap. Are they delivering on their promises, building real-world utility, and expanding the Shiba Inu ecosystem? And finally, keep an eye on regulation. How will governments around the world choose to regulate meme coins, and how will Shiba Inu adapt? Wise words, Mark. It seems that the future of Shiba Inu, like the crypto market itself, is a wild card. But one thing's for certain, it will be an exciting ride. That's all the time we have for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, Whether you're a seasoned crypto whale or just dipping your paws into the market, always do your own research, invest responsibly, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Until next time, stay crypto curious.